Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best overbed tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Carex overbed tables with adjustable height. This overbed table comes along with 4 caster wheels to make movement easier for all. This bedside table also has a height adjustable frame design. Therefore, you can adjust the height of the frame from 28 to 42 inch. This bedside desk is perfect for left and right hand users. The C-shaped base helps people on wheelchairs to have closer access to this table. The composite tray table also holds up to 50 lbs of weight. Furthermore, you can use this bedroom furniture with sitting chairs, wheelchairs and couches. The table comes with the construction of heavy-duty and long-lasting ABS plastic material. The flat and wide tray table lets you eat, read, write, and work on a laptop with ease. Moving on at number 4, we have the Roscoe medical bed tray overbed table. This overbed table includes a hydraulic elevation mechanism for adjusting table height. You also do not have to manually adjust the height of the stand. Moreover, the tabletop can withstand up to 40 lbs of weight. This bedroom furniture is just the right thing for sick people or persons with limited mobility or strength. The tabletop is also wide enough to hold breakfast plates, books, papers, and even a laptop. Furthermore, the well-balanced structure of this table includes 4 caster wheels for hassle-free mobility. The tabletop has hard-wearing walnut wood grain finish to increase the lifespan of this mobile workspace. At number 3, we have the Silverspring adjustable overbed tables. With an ergonomic design, this tilting laptop desk makes the working environment convenient at home. Made from heavy-duty steel material, the frame of this furniture also offers exceptional durability. With the help of 4 caster wheels, you can simply move this table around your home trouble-freely. This bedroom aid helps sick people to have meals conveniently in bed. You can also use this overbed table for working on laptop, writing, studying, and other purposes. Furthermore, the tabletop has the construction of a thick and long-lasting board. The laminated top makes the cleaning and maintenance easier for all. The frame offers a height adjustment function. At number 2, we have the TigerDad Overbed Bedside Desk Mobile Rolling Laptop Stand Tilting Overbed Table. This multifunctional modular furniture is a must-have item for your small apartment room. You can also use this table as a rolling tray table, C-table with wheels, and a laptop rolling cast. Moreover, this desk makes the height adjustable easier for all. People can adjust the height of this table from 23.6 to 35.3 inch accordingly. The included hardware and installation guide also allow users to assemble the table parts easily. Furthermore, this bedside furniture comes along with 4 pieces of 1-inch caster wheels with a lockable mechanism. The edge stopper of the tabletop protects your laptop or other things from slipping. And finally at number 1, we have the Doeworks overbed tables with wheels. This multifunctional and ergonomic overbed table works as a laptop desk. You can also conveniently adjust the angle of the tray. Moreover, this office furniture has a base thickness of 15 mm. The tilting top surface makes writing, eating, reading, and working easier for everyone. The frame height is adjustable from 27.56 to 37.4 inch. Equipped with a pair of moving wheels, the table also lets you move this from one room to another. Furthermore, you can efficiently keep the bottom of this table under your bed, sofa, and other furniture. The 3-tier shelf of this furniture offers enough space to hold books, magazines, and other objects. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.